Apart from great quality basmati rice, there are 3 essentials for perfect tahdig: a non-stick pot, a good amount of vegetable oil, and patience. Sprinkle the ground saffron over the ice cubes and let them melt. Wash the rice. Add salt to a pot full of boiling water. Add the rice and let it parboil 4 to 5 minutes. Then rinse it with cool water in a strainer and let it drain. Combine part of the rice with the saffron water. Place a non-stick pot over medium heat. Add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom of the pot. Transfer the saffron rice to the pot and spread it out evenly. Add the white rice on top and poke 3 holes halfway through the rice. Cover the lid with a clean kitchen towel and close it firmly. Reduce the temperature to low and let the rice steam for around 45 minutes. Replace the lid with an upside down plate, carefully flip it over, and here is your crispy golden tahdig.